What up, my boy? You straight?
Shit, what on, bro?
What up? Hey, you're Benji?
Yeah.
What the fuck, gang? You remember me?
Yeah. How you
Damn,
been, bro?
I've been chilling. You? Damn, I knew you since like a little ass kid, bro.
Well,
Hey, check him out, gang. Is your whip?
yeah.
That's what's up, man.
You got 10 bucks?
Oh yeah, the 10 right? You got Zelle?
Zelle?
Or PayPal?
Nah, if anything, I'll send you my OG's number.
Send it, and I got you. For sure. All right, Brody. Be safe.
Safety.
Tap in, bro. I got you.